Welcome to another Marketing Strategy Management mini training module. Today's topic is local internet marketing, sense or nonsense. In this module, we'll explore the pros and cons of internet marketing for a local business. Regardless if you're just now considering it or if you're already doing it, this module will help you to decide whether it makes sense or nonsense for your business. Let's start by asking the obvious question. Why would a local business even consider internet marketing? Well, there are several reasons that merit thought. One is that the internet has become pervasive. A large number of people have access to it, and they use it on a daily basis. On top of that, it has become part of the shopping experience for a lot of people, and they can do their shopping at any time. Internet marketing provides a way to be available to them on a 24/7 basis. It's also a good option if you're in the type of business where people are inclined to do comparison shopping for what you offer, or if you provide something that is often bought on impulse. Internet marketing can be more informative than most conventional media and timelier. It can also be used to add a personal touch or to engage customers with interactive elements. Perhaps the real question is not why you should consider internet marketing, but whether, in this day and age, you can afford to go without it. For some, the answer may be yes. For others, it may be no. Now let's put internet marketing in context as it specifically relates to your business. Presumably, you already have a marketing strategy, and its purpose is to convey your unique value proposition. At the same time, you're probably using numerous marketing activities or tactics to convey that message. If you decide to employ internet marketing or are already using it, then you'll probably want to be thinking in terms of offline marketing and online marketing as they relate to your marketing strategy. The reason for thinking in these terms is because the two types of marketing are very different from one another. Offline tends to rely on traditional media, things like signs, brochures, storefronts, radio, TV, magazines, and so forth. Online marketing uses the internet. Offline produces what is called outbound marketing because it broadcasts information in a sort of scattershot approach to attract attention. Online promotes inbound marketing by attempting to draw customers into your business while they're shopping for something you offer. You can learn more about inbound marketing by watching the video module titled An Introduction to Small Business Internet Marketing. I put the URL on the page below. These two types of marketing also involve different technologies and different skill sets. And finally, the activities that branch out from each are also very different. Ultimately, they each require their own separate strategic development. So this is where the strategy aspect now enters the picture, because in all likelihood, you have one marketing budget from which you'll be trying to do both. If your primary focus in the past has been with offline marketing, then the addition of online marketing raises some important questions to consider. For example, will it supplement the offline marketing? And by that, I mean, will you take the current budget and make it larger to accommodate the online marketing? Or will the online marketing replace some of the offline marketing? Will the budget remain the same but be allocated differently? Perhaps more toward the internet, or maybe just a little toward the internet, at least in the beginning. There are also two important strategy considerations regardless of how you decide to allocate the budget. First, you'll want to make sure you've set objectives for every marketing activity you choose to do. After all, you're investing in them to get something from them. Second, you'll want to make sure the offline and online marketing initiatives are integrated. By integrated, I mean they're working in sympathy with one another. So if we take this diagram and turn it upside down, all the activities flow toward achieving that one marketing strategy objective. And that, of course, is to convey your unique value proposition. Now this may seem obvious, but it's surprising how easily the two can start to work at cross purposes. Here's a quick example. Let's say someone finds a sale item online and travels to your store to get it, only to then be told it hasn't been kept in stock for 6 months and that you can't sell it to them for any price, let alone the sale price. Wouldn't you be upset if you were the customer? Bear in mind, that's just one example. Not only are the possibilities nearly endless for stuff like that to happen, but they can also grow in number with alarming speed. you can suddenly go from having one disgruntled customer to having many. So we said one strategy and one budget. Now, let's take a quick look at the management aspect. This involves the implementation of performance-based measures. We've set objectives for our marketing activities, and we want to know if they're meeting those objectives. We also want to know the relative contribution of each to the overall marketing effort. Should we do more of some and less of others, or should we keep it about the same? How do we allocate or reallocate our budget based on this information? In another post, we call this the strategic learning cycle. The idea is to stay on top of what's going on and make adjustments as circumstances change. This, of course, is a continuous process, and it involves all three aspects of marketing strategy management as we've outlined in this module. At some point, whether it's sooner or later, you'll have gained enough knowledge to determine for yourself whether internet marketing makes sense or nonsense for your business. For more information on this and related topics, visit marketingstrategymanagement.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.